Hi, good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, May 9th, or excuse me, May 10th. It's 9:06 a.m. There were some economic announcements. There are also some speeches going on right now. So there's been a lot of activity over the last hour or so, which is why I wanted to delay this a bit. You're looking at the daily bar here. Remember, we're looking at this trading lane, pushing the market higher. We've got a long-term trend move to the upside. Mid-term trend is also up. Short-term trend is still sideways. So let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. What we're looking at here is the flag pattern, which has been forming up over the last couple of weeks. Here's the bottom of it. And you can see this channel pushing to the downside is getting right back into this old support zone. If you remember, we've been looking at this. There's the high from January. Here's the high from the beginning of December. The market is once again sitting right here at the bottom end of the support region. So we're also looking at a double bottom possibility. So we've got a trade that's setting up right as we speak. Let's go ahead and zoom into the 4-hour bar. You can see that the momentum is starting to build on the downside, though. So we're going to have to be careful here that we're not getting in front of some increased momentum to the downside. Anytime you see these big momentum kind of bars in the marketplace, you've got to take notice. This prior 4-hour bar, though, you can see that the market did push up off of the low. You can see here's the low of the bar. Here's where it closed. So you've got some distance between these 2 points, indicating that there's still some buying going on down here in support, which is, that's a good thing. And we need to keep in mind that the market might be just giving us a spike reversal down here. If we go down to the hourly now, you can see that these bars have a little bit more momentum. You can see at first there was quite a bit of support here. You can see the market pushed into this area, closed up, pushed down, closed way up, actually, even over the close of the prior bar, pushed up here, bouncing up to nearly the top end here of resistance before coming back down. This was again on some news. So there was some news that came out here, as well as some news that came out in this area here, both of which pushing the British pound around. So if we're not careful, though, we can get sucked into all this enthusiasm. Right now, we're looking at a double bottom. Let me go ahead and duplicate this line. There we go. So you can see here that the market is hesitating at this point. However, you can see that the 3-bar reversal is pretty distant, meaning there's a lot of momentum pushing down. If we go down all the way to the 15-minute bar here, let me let it refresh. You can see that once we let this 15-minute bar close, we're going to count back 1, 2, 3. Look at how high this 3-bar reversal is going to be before we can enter. Remember, the 3-bar reversal is designed to get us in on a consolidation. So we need to see the market consolidate, just like this area here would have been an ideal 3-bar reversal. But we need to see this consolidation before we can get in. That's the whole purpose and point of using the 3-bar reversal. So we do have a potential long. Going to have to wait to see how it forms up. I don't really have a target area, although I'm expecting that the reversal will probably break out here above 98.60 on the long side. I'm not really looking to go short around here on a break of this double bottom, just because that in my book is a pretty risky trade. So I'm waiting to see if this thing can hold here, get a reversal back up to the upside. I'm looking for a profit target here at about the 99.20, 99.25 area.